Hello, dear students. I, Dinesh Karmalkar, your computer teacher, welcomes you to JVM's New English School Kalwa online teaching classes. And today we are going to see our next practical of Standard 7. Now, the objective of today's practical is today we are going to revise the lab activity from page number 43. This is the second part of this lab activity, and in this today's part we are going to revise criteria, sort, and filter. These three things we will see how to do in Excel. Once again, we will revise this, and for this, the software requirements are as usual. For Windows, we are going to use Microsoft Excel, which is the part of the Microsoft Office package, and for Android mobiles, we are going to use Microsoft Excel. Now, in this today's practical, we are going to use a table, which the table which already typed, that data type is already typed. I told you regarding invoice number, customer, type, product, quantity, and price. These are the fields which I typed in the last practical. That is the database already created. We have around 11 records now. Invoice number, we have 11 invoices. Now from this we are going to sort the table with customer field. We are going to sort the field, then filter the table with the product, washing machine, and then we are going to use criteria for the television. So these are the three things we are going to learn today. Criteria, you remember that you can use it to, for suppose you want the records only for the television product, television, which are who are the who are the customers for the television, that we can find it out from this, and who are the retailer or seller, that we can find it out from that this criteria field. So who are selling or purchasing television, that we will see. Then if you want to see the, depending upon the filter the these things, it is a kind of sorting only. Filter options means suppose you want to see the records of only washing machine, or you want to filter the options depending upon the type, that is wholesaler, retailer. You want to see only the list of retailers, or only you want to see the list of the wholesalers, that we can do with the help of filter options. Then sorting we can do on different fields, like we can sort the this database according to the price. We can keep the cheapest product. We can do double level sorting also, like means we can keep the television up and below, then washing machine, and then mixer together, all things, and in among the television, which is the cheapest price, then among the washing machine, which is the cheapest price. So we can see which television is the cheapest and who is selling that, and which washing machine is cheapest and who is selling that. That also we can find it out from the table. So this way we can sort the table. So today we are going to revise this criteria table, criteria filter, and the sort table. So for that, first of all, we will open the database which you already typed in the last practical, that I will open now in the Excel. So this lab activity 43 was the given, we are given the name last time. Now you can see this is the database already. We have here a very detailed database we are having. In this we have around 11 records, and these are the fields: customer, type, product, quantity, and price. The 6 here fields are there. Now I will follow the some steps which are given in the book, and then little bit we will see on our own also. The first thing which in the book it is given is for the criteria thing. For criteria we have to do it from the form in the book, it is told. So I have to select the table, and I have to click the form. Now in this, see, if you click the form, now you are getting all the records. If I click find next, you can see all the records we are going to see. All records we are able to, all 11 records are coming one by one below. If you go previous, then we are able to see the previous also one by one together. All the 11 records are coming one by one. But suppose here criteria which is given in the book, it is, if you remember, we only want a product television, so only we want to see the product television. For that we have to come to the first record here first, and then go to criteria, and then in the product type the television. So television here is the thing which we want. For leave record for television is spelling, if you do wrong, then it will not come. So television is this thing, and just after typing television you have to press the enter key. So records which regarding television will come. You click next. You can see the product records after 104 directly 110 is coming, then 11, then previous you go 10, 4, then 1. So only I'm getting the records. There are 4 records. You can see 1, 2, 3, and 4 records are there regarding the television. So that only has been displayed. So I'm only getting the records which is having the television. So this way, now suppose you want not only on the product type, suppose you want only the other product like mixer, let's say instead of television I am typing in mixer. So that only records will get here if I enter. I'm only getting the records which is having the mixer as a product. You can see 103, 1, 2, 3, 3 are there. One zero three, 105, and now it is not coming consecutively, it is coming see 105, 103, 105, then 108. If you go previous like this, so all three records we are getting. Not only on the product, you can find out in other things also, like I will now I'll give criteria regarding the I want only the type retailer. The only I want return record, so I'll press enter. I only get the record which is having the retailer, so type retailer I am having. You can see 11 is the retailer, 10 is the retailer. You can see here 10 is the wholesale, that is 8 is the retailer then, and then in between 3, 4, 5, 6. The previous, now first record is the 3, which is the retailer, then next is the 4, 5, 6, then 8, and then 11. These are the records which are having the retailer. So these are only records we are getting. So this way we can give different criteria. Now one more interesting we can do with the criteria is, suppose I want the I will give criteria, suppose here the product which is quantity, based on quantity, like I am having not exact quantity, suppose I want the products which is whose stock is more than 25, let's say, so greater than 25. So I will see the product which quantity is more than 25 is available. So now 107 record is there. Now see 109 Shine Electronics, so the washing machine is there. 50, sorry 30 here, 109 record is. Then 1010 which is having 60, and now go previous, if you see 7, and 101 35 is there. More than 25 is 1, 2, 3 and 4 records are there. You can see 7, 9 and 10. So these are the 4 records which quantity is more than 25. So this way I can give criteria based on this. Let's say one by this also we can give less than also. Let's say I will give less than who's having less than say 20. I will enter. So here I am getting 15, then 10, then again one more is there 15, then 12 I am having here. So this, and again 110 is there. So all this again 12 is there. So all these records are there which is having less than 20 quantity. So this way we can get, if I give the criteria, let's say less than 50, then see greater than 50, sorry. Let's see how many coming. One record is there, only one record is there which is having quantity more than 60. So only this way we can successfully, as given criteria we have studied, we can give criteria depending on the whatever field you want, customer, type, product, or in the quantity which is having numbers we can give less than, equal to also. Again price also we can give criteria less than which product is having less than 50,000 of that also you can see. Now let's see our next one, that is the what criteria we will see regarding the sorting. In the book it is given sorting next, so let's do the sorting. The books it is given sort. We have to select the table, then click the data, and select any area, click data and then click sort. Then sort by field you have to view by customer, and here it is book it is told to Z2A, so I'm sorting by Z2A. So here you can see customer Z2S is coming first, so that is been up here. 108 record is here. So this way I sorted with the help of the customer. Now this is a single field. The book is given this much only, that regarding the field filter. This sorted is done on the one level. Now I will remove this sort, and instead of this sorting, let's go to our first. Let's do the first level depending upon the here type. So that I will take it first wholesaler and then retailer. I will add one more level, and then I will see here product, and then I will give it to Z. Let's see now. We are seeing now wholesaler are coming together and the retailer are coming together. You can see first this. You can see this is the first fire all wholesaler. Then now again in the wholesaler television is coming first, and then washing machine. Then here mixer come, and here television, and then washing machine in the last. So this way we have sorted this A to Z, and this is Z to A. You can do it. Again, if you want that I want to add one more level, let's in this only. Now I will add one more level, and I will just keep it down. Let's see. Yes, here I will give quantity, and quantity I will give smallest to largest. Now we will see. See now here wholesaler coming, then television quantity 35. So whichever television the customer is having 35, and this is coming 60. These are this shop is having 60 quantity and 35. So 35 is coming first and then 60. Here this customer is having washing machine 25, 30, and then 50. So whichever smallest that will come up. So this sorting I given three labels. First it is sorted by the type, then it is sorted by product, and then it is sorted by quantity. So the type Z to Z2A, then here A to Z, and here so smallest come. Smallest first and then the largest discussing. So three levels also we can give for the sorting. So this way I done this one. The one or three different levels I given for the same database. Now one more thing which we are going to see today's practical, that is regarding the filter option. Let's see for this. First of all, you have to make the database as it was in previous. So what I will do, I will select this database, and I'll go to sort, and I will remove all the these levels, and I will go to invoice and keep it smallest to largest. Now this is our old record which was there from 1 to 11, because our this data was based on invoice, and invoice we have kept consecutively 1, 0, 1 to 11. Now in this what I will do, I can remove this level from here. So you can see now it is as it is, still it is coming in the invoice format, invoice way only. So this has been sorted now invoice, which was the default sorting. Whatever the sorting we are given to customer, type, all has been removed. Now you can see this is our old record we are getting. The last one we are getting is, we are going to see is regarding the, sorry, here we are going to use is the filter option. And if you see filter option, you have to do on the washing machine. So first we will see what is given in the book. So in the book it is told to do is click on filter. So once you click on the filter option, the list will get filtered, and you can see that small arrows. You can see a small arrows coming at every field. On the top you can see different small arrows are there. Now our motive is to filter table with the help of washing machine. Now where is the washing machine? Is it in the product now? So I will select this. I will remove this select all, and I will keep as washing machine only, and I will click OK. So now only I am getting the records which is having the washing machine. So these four records, 1002, 1006, 1007, 109, these four things having the record only of the washing machine. So these four things are washing machine. Now suppose I want this mixer also in this. So I will click OK. So two products I want. Now I am getting the record which having washing machine and mixer. So this way we can do it here, and we can give remove this. We can keep for television only also, or we can have washing machine and mixer and television. So now I'm getting record having television and mixer. Now other thing which we can do, we can give the, I will remove everything this, select all I will give. Now what I will do, I will give the filter on two fields, type and product. So what I will do, in the type I want only the retailers. Among the retailers also I want only the retailers who are selling the washing machine. So only one retailer is there. So easily you can find out that this retailer is there Malhotra Cottage which is selling the washing machine, or I want to find out the retailer which is selling the mixer. So these three retailers I will get which is having selling the mixer. Now let's say do it by other way. Let's move on to our washing machine. Now there's only one retailer which is selling. Now let's see which is a wholesaler which is selling the washing machine. You can see there are three wholesalers. You can see these three wholesalers are selling the washing machine. So very easily you can play with the data and you can find out whatever you want. You can filter the data. That's why it's called filter. That what data exactly what you want that only you are getting. You can see here this is the wholesaler which is selling the washing machine. Or you can find out that which wholesaler is having selling both is getting. And suppose if you see any mixer here, this find out there no mixer option coming because there is no wholesaler which is selling the mixer. If you see the complete data, if you remove here the filter, you can see wholesaler, or you can just filter this and take only the wholesaler here. And this all the records are of the wholesaler 5 records. Now in this you can see wholesalers are only selling television, washing machine. There is no mixer records. So that's why when you take only wholesaler, you can get two options: television, washing machine. There is nobody who is selling the mixer. Now if you take the retailer option, you can see you are getting the all three options here: mixer, television, washing. Because there are some retailers who are selling mixer also, so we are getting this. Of course, there are three retailers who are selling mixer, and one retailer is selling washing machine, and two are selling the television. So this way we can see how we can filter the data. We can filter the data depending upon the quantity also. That suppose I want the here type retailer and who is selling mixer. Suppose only mixer, three tiers, but I want who's having the less quantity. That let's say 10 here, who's selling 10. So that only I'm getting one retailer who's selling the only 10 in 10 quantity. So there's only one retailer, that is Sai Rama Cottage. And if you take 15 option, then we can get it by this way. So this way we can have the filter option for this. And here are two both having this price 12 1,27,500. This way have the mixer options for 15 quantity. Then based on the customer also we can do. Now let's remove all the filters and put filter, and here do only for certain customers are there. Let's remove all and take only for the SR electronics. I will say only one record is there for the SR electronics. Let's say for this Malhotra Cottage. So all having one only criteria here. Let's say this Ramsons. See, Ramsons having two records. So such a record, these customers will getting the two records here. So this way we can filter data depending on the different types. Let's remove this. Now we'll get our original data back, and let's move on to our assignment question. So is there assignment? Nothing to you have to whatever the database we typed before in the first practice, that only you can use on that database. Whatever the database we typed, that is that 5-6 fields were typed on that, we are going to do all the three things, all the two things, criteria, sort. So you do the criteria for the product mixer here, then sort the data by the type field. And if you want to do practice the filter, that filter also you can do whatever I shown today. But this activity is not finished yet. This activity is very lengthy. Still some things, some other options we have to study in this activity, that we will study in the next practical. Till then, thank you very much.